Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to highlight the rows which falls between the two given dates. For that I am using the conditional formatting. It's very simple formula. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's check the final output of our application. The starting date I am adding 01/2023 and ending date is 08/01/2023. When I click enter, notice here these are the dates is highlighted. What are the dates is what are the rows is highlighted is falling between this given range. Now if I enter 5th January 2023, between 5th and 8th, I want to get the records highlighted between this given range.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
Notice on my Excel sheet, here I have a table here which contains some employee information, employee table, employee ID, employee name, salary and join date. Just for the time saving, I have added some dummy data here. Now my aim is, if you notice here in the above, I have in D5 cell which is a start date and end date is D6. Now my aim is, if a user wants to check 05/01/2023 the date and end date also I am adding here, and the date is 09/01/2023. Now when I click enter, I want to highlight those records, those rows only which falls between these two given date range. So for that I am using the conditional formatting. First let's delete this default, not the default which we have entered here, the dates. Let's put these both cells empty. Now first, when we are using conditional formatting, we need to select the range first. I want to highlight these cells up to 18 only I have. If you want, you can add more cells. Just for the demo purpose, I have added only few. Then once we select the range, now on the home page there under styles is a conditional formatting. Click that one, new rule. Under new rules, the last one is a sixth rule, is a use a formula to determine which cells to format. Select that one. Once I select, below the format values where this formula is true. So let's make this small window. Here the formula is equals to end formula, and now the condition is I am selecting the range here. First the range is, what is the range? $F9. What is F9 here? F9 is the date. F9. This is the F9 here. See? F9. We don't require $F and $9. We just require $F9 because it's already date present here. After that, is greater than equals to the start date. The start date we enter values in E5 cell. See $E and $5. Now we require the $E and $5. Notice here the start date contains $E and $5, whereas the rules applying the conditional applying cell is $F9 only. F9 which is a date. I am comparing the dates with this cell. Then comma again $F9. F9 less than equals to $E end date $E6. $E6 which is the end date. That's it. It's a very simple formula. Starting date and ending date. Expand this small window. Now let's add the format colors. Format First I am formatting the cell between purple color and the font color bold. I am adding white color. When I click OK, notice this is the preview. Will get the output. These colors will get in these cells. Click OK. Now, oops, something went wrong here. It's showing. Let's check. Again, select the range. Why it's highlighted this only? Manage rules, edit rules. And notice here $E6, $E for $E, $5, $E and $6, which is starting date and ending date. Now click OK, apply, OK. Now let's check the final output of our application. The starting date I am adding 01/2023 and ending date is 08/01/2023. When I click enter, notice here these are the dates is highlighted. What are the dates is what are the rows is highlighted is falling between this given range. Now if I enter 5th January 2023, between 5th and 8th, I want to get the records highlighted between this given range. See? And see here we got the output of the given range between the dates. Only those rows are highlighted between 5 and 8 only. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to highlight the rows which falls between the two given dates in Excel sheet using a conditional formatting. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.